Good morning and good afternoon. Shout out to sixth period. You want to say hi? Really? Seriously? All right, guys, we're going to do 1.5 geometric sequences. Make sure you write all this in your notebook. And the warm up is also in here. Okay. All right. Explain in your own words what an arithmetic sequence is. What do you think that is?
I don't know yet. Due to T sub 1.
T sub 1, what do you think that is?
I do not know, but I know you're going to be looking pretty fresh tomorrow.
You're going to make me redo this video?
Oh, please don't.
Okay. All right. Arithmetic sequence means it's an increase by adding or subtracting. Silly. What do you guys think a geometric series is or sequence?
Simple shapes.
Multiplying. Very good. You can talk about shapes too, because basically you're multiplying. Length times width times height. What's opposite of multiplying? Dividing. Awesome. You guys are so good. All right. I hope it's recording. Okay. Today's goal. Okay. You guys going to identify the similarities and differences in geometric and arithmetic sequences. You're going to also be able to solve problems using geometric sequences. All right. Write the following in your notebook. A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by, keyword, multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called a common ratio. And the letter we use for that is the letter R. Whereas in arithmetic, it is D. Geometric sequences are exponential, okay? That means 2 to the first power, 2 to the second power, and so forth. Just like with arithmetic sequences, the common ratio has to be constant. That means your R stays the same. It never changes. So let's practice finding some ratios. Let's look at number 1. So how would you find R? Well, if you notice, there is a pattern that you can see. 2, 4, 8, and 16. What pattern do you notice? You are increasing by, multiplying by 2, okay? But if you didn't know that, to find R, you can take 16 divided by 8, that gives you 2. 8 divided by 4, and that gives you 2. So notice how the R is both a 2. You're multiplying by 2. Opposite of multiplying is dividing. Let's take a look at number 2. 10,000 divided by 1,000 is 10, okay? How about 1,000 divided by 100 is 10? Do you see how they both have the same R? That's also geometric. Same thing right here. 625 divided by negative 125. So you can get your calculator, and you can also try that as well, okay? Negative 625 divided by negative 125 is negative 5. Negative 125 divided by 25 is negative 5. So the R for this one is negative 5. So those are some ways you can do it. Same goes for right here. Now look at this one. Your R, 30 divided by 25 is 1.2. 25 divided by 20. Do you see how the pattern is not the same? So this one is not geometric. But if you notice, you're increasing by 5. So this one is actually arithmetic. Right. Your turn. You guys try this. Nobody? Well, you're going to try this, so I'm going to pause, give you a chance, and then we're going to go over it. Okay, moving on. I hope you're giving you enough time. Pause the video. I don't like my voice. Can you not tell? Okay. All right. Let's see if you guys can do this one. Let's look at number 1. Ratios. This is a fraction. Put parentheses around them, just like that, okay? So you have 1 divided by 108 divided by 1 over 136. See how you just type it in like that? Let me show you on the calculator. Parentheses, 1 divided by 108 divided by 1 divided by 36. Hit math fraction's easier, so this comes out to be 1/3. Let's see if we can do the same thing right here. Parentheses, 1 divided by 36 divided by parentheses, 1 divided by 12 in parentheses. See how the patterns are the same? So this right here is 1/3. This right here is 1/3. Let's see if this guy is also 1/3. Okay, parentheses. 1 divided by 12 in parentheses divided by parentheses, 1 divided by 4 in parentheses. And they all came out to be 1/3. So this one is geometric. Number 2, do the same thing. 0.5 divided by 0.9. That is your R. 0.5 divided by 0.9. Math comes out to 5 over 9. See if these guys would do the same thing. See the calculator. 0.9 divided by 1.3. Math. Do you see how that's not the same? So this one is not geometric. Okay, let's see if it's arithmetic. For arithmetic, you would go 0.5 minus 0.9. Let's see if we can find a D. Just like that. 0.5 minus 0.9. Okay. 0.9 minus 1.3. Seeing a pattern? 1.3 minus 1.7. All subtraction. So this one is arithmetic. Number 3. Let's check to see if we can subtract first. Negative 8 minus negative 118. Remember to go in this direction. 10. Negative 18 minus negative 32. 14. So it's not arithmetic. Okay. Let's see if we can, if it's geometric. You ready? Same thing. Negative 8 divided by negative 18. 0.44. Negative 18 divided by negative 32. So it's not arithmetic, and it's also not geometric. Alright guys, the bell's going to ring. I will upload the second part of this video in a little bit.
Man, you give us a shout out and everything too.
Yeah. Hey, say bye. Bye. Wow, you guys are louder.